afternoon vlog. It's 12:10, so I'm like, the morning's over. Today's Sunday. I just went to brunch, breakfast with a friend of mine who's visiting in town. Then I went to Trader Joe's. Give you a little haul here. 3 bananas, latkes, which are in the freezer and take 1 minute in the microwave to warm up. My baby loves these, and so do I. So it's easy breakfast. First in the morning, I got 2. These steamed veggie dumplings. I've had their chicken one before, but not the veggie. So I want to see if this could also be an easy snack for my son to eat if he likes them. Ground beef, cottage cheese, and an avocado, which is so freaking hard. Hopefully in a couple days it gets a little bit softer, and I'm gonna keep it out of the fridge. Just got out of the shower. Well, actually I didn't just get out. I got out a while ago. And this is my hair air dry. It's like, why is it always that when I let my hair air dry and I'm not doing anything and I don't care about it, it looks so good, and then when I try to put product in it and diffuse it, it doesn't work. I'm trying out this new hemp flavor scent and it's bomb. It's bomb. Summer in a freaking bottle. Vanilla and coconut. And then I follow up with vitamin E on hands, joints, stomach, chest, neck. That's my moisturizing routine. This morning we rearranged the living room. So this sectional used to be in here, and then we had like a little playpen here. But we decided to scratch the playpen, take it out, and make just the whole living room baby proof, and have that gate there, which is down. This is my other kitty, Mars. He is my Aries baby. And Beans, my little Gemini. But I like the layout a lot more. It feels more open and spacious. Currently on a family walk on this Sunday afternoon, dropping off the baby gate thing. Somebody dropped it off, but I forgot 2 pieces, so I'm dropping it off now. It's about an hour long walk total. Let's hope it doesn't rain. It's actually raining now. Here's a little neighborhood pantry and books and a garden, I think. We've been walking for about 40 minutes in the rain. Yes, I put in the wrong address first, but we found the house we needed, dropped our items off. Family dinner.
Any spots that are feeling off? Anything that's feeling sore?
Feeling pretty good today. I had Brandon do the thing he did to me where he really intentionally pull my...
Yeah, the traps.
Yeah.
It's remarkably effective, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And it's a terrible 10 seconds.
I know, I'm like, I don't want it, but it also feels so good.
Here we go. I'm going to get these ones right in the middle first. There you go.
go. All right, just parked in H Mart parking lot. I don't know if they have it everywhere across the US, but it's an Asian supermarket. And I'm thinking tonight we can do a Korean barbecue for dinner. So I wanted to get the sides. We already have kimchi at home, so I'm pretty much just thinking fish cakes and daikon. Those are my favorite sides. So let's unpack and go in. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's so many options. I don't know which brands are good, but also this is way too much. I'm not gonna eat all that. So seems too squishy. I like a little crunch. I'm gonna try this. Smaller. Look at all this soju. Okay, this wasn't on the list, but it sounds freaking good. So try this out too. Oh my gosh, this is it. This is what I've been craving. I hope it tastes good. We're home. I'm in my comfy clothes. I need to fill this rice up. So I'm going to be making extra rice tonight for our Korean barbecue dinner. And tomorrow I'm gonna make fried rice. So I like to use day-old rice for my fried rice. Yes, I'm on the floor because I don't want to pick this huge bag of Costco. I'm gonna make 4 cups of rice. Alright, got this going for dinner tonight, and I'm just gonna play with Saint while we wait for Brandon to come home. Currently on a family walk. Tonight's dinner, Korean barbecue, daikon, fish cake, tteokbokki, kimchi. The aftermath of eating rice with a baby. Good morning vlog. It is well into Tuesday morning already. I've been up since 5:30. It's 8:35 right now. And I just wanted to get out of the house. I didn't want to be there all day because my plans aren't until later in the afternoon. So going to my mom's. My mom just texted me. She wants me to pick up energy drinks. So doing what a good daughter does. I also wanted something myself. So honestly, perfect. Good, how are you?
Good, what can I get for you?
Do you know my parents order Rhonda and Joe? They're like, get Sparks every day. Can you?
Sparks,
Yeah. They said grape and strawberry mango. Yeah. And then I'll get a 20 ounce. What is, it's a Tiki Breeze, right? Not a Red Bull?
We have both.
Okay, I'll do Tiki Breeze.
Okay.
Like guava,
Okay.
maybe some orange juice, but no cream or whipped.
Okay. What face do you want to be?
Oh, pink.
Pink. Are they your parents?
Yeah.
Okay, then.
Yeah.
No, it's wrong. It is not.
Oh. Yeah,
There's
yeah.
yours.
Okay, great.
All right, have a good day.
Hi. Hi, baby. Chat, we just played at a play place and it was way so loud, so overstimulating and hot. On the way home now, and I'm gonna go to Pilates later.
And breathe towards the other way, switch it up. Single leg stretch on deck. Left knee bends, right leg extends, inches 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get it.
Happy Wednesday vlog. I've had a really chill, slow morning with my baby so far and dropped him off with his grandpa while I tan somebody. I just tanned my friend Sarah, who's going to Coachella. I'm like, what are the outfits? What's the vibe? Her nails were so cute. So let me show you my tanning setup. Okay, this is my tent, which obviously is a single person tent and pops up and goes down really easily. I have the Fuji spray sunless. I started off with, I don't remember the brand actually, but it was like all plastic. So I got this upgrade a few years ago now. And I use the Xoxo, I actually don't know how to say, solution. That being said, if you're in the Seattle area and would like a spray tan, hit me up. I'll link my Instagram where you can message me, and I'm mobile, so I can go to you or you can come to me. Happy to do parties. Sarah and I were just talking about, wait, next year we should do like a Coachella tanning party. Genius, I love it. I'm on the way back to my mom's and just gonna hang out there. I'm whitening my teeth right now, and I'm like, this is just genius multitasking because I'm driving, I have to drive, so why not keep this on, and then when I get to my destination, pluck them off. Yeah.
You are just vermin that scrabbled its way into the castle. We should have chewed you up and spat you out, but we gave you a chance. Why? I asked, stupidly, but I wanted to procure more time. He sneered at me. Because I live in a castle.
Just got to my nail appointment. Here is what we're working with before. They were cute, they did their job. This is like 5 weeks grow out, so I don't know what I want to get exactly. I'm just gonna get whatever color calls to me and get them shorter.
Yeah, Monday. I remember the first time that
Yay! I just finished getting my nails done. I did this color, aqua, teal, kind of Tiffany. Love it. Little spring pop of color. Not gonna lie, I've been a little moody today. But I'm about to go to Pilates, so hoping that humbles me and just kind of kicks my butt a little bit, kick me back into place. Then following up with a pedicure. But I had to be real in here. Just feeling like a little for no good reason. But I'm sure you can relate. I'm sure you can relate.
That's right. Summer's coming. Let the baby got this. 3. Yes, 2. Hold it in 1. Hold.
I was just put in my place. But I needed that. I needed that. Now I'm ready to relax. Sit back. Yap. Get a freaking pedicure. Cheers.
Wicked bro. Hi.
We just checked into our hotel, the Lodi Hotel, and it's a little date night tonight. So let me show you the room. Lots of mirrors type of decor. Shower, very spacious. 2 robes in here. We love a robe and slippers. Comfy, more mirrors. Very interesting art everywhere. Here's today's fit. When you see the outfit tonight, it's just crazy how I can just switch vibes like that. View. And we're going to be sipping on some Aperol Spritz while we get ready. Oh my gosh. We need ice. We need ice for the Aperols, and we can't go on other floors. And our ice machine on our floor is broken. Room service. Boigas.